Hello everyone. If you want to create this type of 2D animation effect for your website, so like you can just create it within just a few minutes. And the best thing is if I click it, like not clicking it, not just I'm just dragging it. So if I do it fast, it will tear apart. So this is I have made, and you can like play with these words as well. So let's build it. So first of all, open your file explorer and create a folder, and you can name anything, like I have named it 2D animation. So just open it with the VS Code, and let me just delete this old file. So here you will see this interface, and you can just close the Copilot now. So first of all, you need to go to terminal. So if you don't know how to open the terminal, just press Control and this button. So I forgot the name of this icon. So just type npm init and -y. So it will create a local project package JSON, and it will have these things. You don't need to do anything with this thing. Just create a index.html file, and in this file, so it will run in browser, and if you press tab, it will create a boilerplate for you, and I'll name it this title like 2D text effect or text animation, anything you can name it. So I'm just giving an example, like you can embed in your application or in your web app. So in the body section, what you need to do, you need to add one h1 here. H1 is the header, so just name it a letter string or anything. I'm just giving it. So if I open it this in browser, like you can click on the go live button and it will open in browser, and you can see your application here. Just pasting it aside. And so what you have to do now, you need to install, like click on the terminal button and write this command npm I codefabric. Just do this npm I codefabric and hit install. So it will install the package, and we have our package here in node modules. So you can see the index file is here. Okay, now you need to just add a script, just a normal script. Okay, so by default it is saying that script.js. You need to remove this in xrc and add node modules and codefabric and index.js. Simple. And if I save it, so nothing will happen here. Why? Because I have not added the right HTML tag. So what I have done, actually this codefabric is my package, and what I have done, I have created a custom HTML element. So like you can use this in your project. So what you have to do, you just need to write code fabric and close this HTML tag, and just add any words here, like I'm giving it, my channel name is DeCodeDev, so I'm giving it DeCodeDev for now, and I'm saving it. So you can see this DeCodeDev is here, and if you notice, so like this text has, like if I click and drag it, so the cloth will break. It will, like, it is turning apart. So you can manage the sensitivity, like if you just write sensitivity attribute, sensitivity, just correct the spelling here, and not high, like you can just write 1.1 or 0.1, giving it 0.1. So the sensitivity is normal now, right? 0.5, so sensitivity will high, right? And it is hard to break the cloth or word. So if I increase the sensitivity 0.8, which is fine. So see, the cloth is falling apart, or whatever word you can use here. And the maximum sensitivity you can put here is 2. See, so this is it, and like you can play with it, and you can add this in website, and you can like suggest me anything which I can improve it here. And also one more thing, I have taken care of it, like if you add an attribute of color, suppose orange, so you can like change the color from here. You can change the height, width, which I'll not cover in this video. And so this is done now. See, this is a plain HTML, and if you want to use this in your HTML or Angular application, what you can do, you can just go to npm, basically just go to npm And if you, in the search bar, if you search this package code fabric, just search this package and the first package will appear, or if not, just hit enter. So multiple package will appear. Just search the bar, you need to open the code fabric, exact the word. And if you scroll down, so this is the example of plain HTML, this is the example of React. Like you can just import this package. First you need to like do npm I obviously, then you need to import the package and return it as a normal component. And in the Angular you just need to add a component like this and it will work. And this is the configuration attributes: words, color, sensitivity, width, height. This seems working sometimes, but sometimes doesn't. So like, and you can just add in your website and you can play with it. Thanks.